Welcome back to Ride JBI. I'm JB. Today we were testing with
Jordan Borowski,
and he's got a 2025 Yamaha YZ450F. He is riding on our JBI demo forks that we have. These have the latest setting that we have developed inside of them. And the reason we're testing today is we are soon releasing DIY kits of the spec that he rode. Meaning if you don't want to send your forks into us, we can now build you up a nice do-it-yourself install kit of the exact setting he rode or setting customized depending on what you ask of us. So now we're going to kind of debrief what your thoughts on the setup was today. Mind you, in the past he rode my KTM 450 with KYB forks on the front and he was pretty happy with that. But he always rides Yamahas, and this is his first time getting to ride our Yamaha setting on his personal bike. So please, man, give me a breakdown of what you thought initially we got onto the track and what you're expecting from the bike and maybe what we can improve upon.
So pretty much right out the gate when I rode the bike, I pretty much fell in love with it right away. First lap didn't take long to adjust to the settings. Super clutch, very smooth through the stroke. There was nothing really that made me hesitant on the bike with the throttle as far as pushing myself, pushing into corners and everything like that. What I loved about the bike was just being able to be more free, more like myself. And
going more detail about that, like in terms of like your riding style or how you ride the track?
Yeah, just kind of how I prefer to ride the bike. So generally I run and I love their stuff as well, but JB kind of has a setting that allows me to be a little bit more like myself, where I can again just be free, a little bit more aggressive. I'm a taller rider, so I like to stand a lot. So with that, just not having any of the front end push that Yamaha at times can have troubles with. And yeah, just exciting stuff on the way with JB, and yeah, stoked to get it going.
Describe the conditions today. Like what type of dirt were we faced with?
Today was actually a neat day out of Kahia. You don't get these days very often. It generally is a very fast-paced, smooth on the throttle, minimal chop, and today was really good. The way they prepped it, the way they watered it, it allowed for great braking bumps, and just a lot of good variations that allowed you to feel what was working inside the suspension versus just the normal kind of hold it wide and give her the berries and just really be able to feel the stroke for what it was worth and send some stuff that I was really impressed with and yeah, I mean, as you can see, we sent some stuff pretty hard and the stroke we have so much left to use.
About an inch left on it. So a lot of that's from the JBI Pro Perch that we have. It's a really good hydraulic bottoming system that really kicks in the last few inches of the travel of the fork. So that way, the first, let's say 8 inches of travel is just the actual damper that we're relying on. So we can make a really smooth feeling fork. If we were to break down the performance in terms of like flushness, so like when you first hit a bump, hold up as you ride fast and bottoming, you feel like there's a pretty good blend of all those items?
I give it yeah, I give it a solid A on everything. Everything in the department of what he has worked on, it's going to deliver everything that you're going to want in the package. Everything that you're looking for, you will get out of this kit for sure.
Cool. Well, thank you. We started the day off with the figures at 11 on compression, 11 on rebound. We have the stock spring rate in here. That's a 5.0 Newton. After he did the first initial ride on it, he did about 10 laps or so, maybe more. He came in and gave me some feedback. Overall, I was pleased, but I said, hey man, why don't we try fork click stiffer just to see what that'll do. I think it'll give him a little more hold up out of the bike, and I think that additional hold up did not come at the expense of losing comfort. I think it just kind of overall improved it for you. There wasn't any drawback from that.
100%. When we went fork click stiffer on the front end, it basically was the cherry on top for my style of riding, and just allowed me to be a little bit more aggressive with again just feeling so free and so confident in the front end for sure.
Cool. Well, next time we'll link up, we'll have the forks in chalk for you, and we can do the entire shebang.
Yes, sir.
Sweet. Well, thank you so much for your time and effort, man. I appreciate it.